Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for July. This month's theme is Soak It All In with super cute beach themed bags. First let's take a look inside the Glam Bag. We have the Goldfaden MD Vital Boost Daily Moisturizer, Smashbox Cosmetics The Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, MAC Cosmetics MAC Stack Mega Mascara, Prestige Eyeliner in Bronze, and the Roen Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm in the shade Charlie. Now let's open the Glam Bag Plus. Inside we have the Osea Ocean Cleanser, Aavrani Balance Restoring Serum, Murad Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifier Broad Spectrum SPF 45, Wingme Ambitious Violet Eyeshadow Palette, and the Item Beauty Boost Juice Dual-Ended Lash Primer and Colored Mascara. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received, starting with the Osea Cleanser. This is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and California-made. It claims to be clarifying, energizing, and exfoliating. It smells really good, and I'm definitely getting that energizing, sort of wake-me-up feel from it. Next, I'm testing out the Aavrani Balance Restoring Serum. The bottle is really nice and high quality. This is a gentle, alcohol-free toning serum. It claims to clarify your skin, remove toxins, minimize the appearance of pores and dark spots, while restoring your skin's natural moisture barrier. It ends up becoming very sticky, which is interesting. Now let's apply the Goldfaden Vital Boost Daily Moisturizer. This claims to brighten skin tone, hydrate, and nourish complexion while providing powerful antioxidant nourishment. Key ingredients include hyaluronic acid, organic red tea extract complex, oil of grapefruit, and gooseberry extract. It feels very nourishing. For the final step in my skincare routine, I'm applying the Murad Oil and Pore Control Mattifier SPF 45. This is a lightweight SPF moisturizer. SPF is super important, but this specific one is oil trapping and mattifying, which isn't the best for my dry skin. I wish we received a more universally friendly SPF for those of us that have dry skin, like their age balancing SPF, for instance. After that, I'm priming with the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. This primer has been around for a while, and I've tried it or a version of it on several different occasions. It's just good. It does what it says it's going to do. It smooths, it blurs, it helps makeup last longer and look better. Now let's take a look at the Wingme Ambitious Violet Eyeshadow Palette. I've never heard of this brand before, but I can tell you right now that I'm not a big fan of the color story or packaging. First, let's start with the matte shades. These are pretty crumbly, so I am a bit worried about fallout. Now let's swatch the shimmer shades. Apparently each shade is infused with wildflower, which is pretty neat. First, I'm picking up the shade called Crave. I'm applying this to my crease. It's looking really smooth. Now I'm picking up the shade called Rebel. I'm applying this all over my lid. It's not as shiny as I was expecting. Next, I'm dipping into the shade called Tempest. I'm using this to add dimension throughout the crease. This shade has a lot of fallout. We received a mascara in both bags this month, so I'll be trying out both of them today. First, I'm applying the MAC Stack Mega Mascara to my top lashes. I've heard great things about this as of late, so I'm excited to try it out. It's supposed to be clump resistant and instantly lift and lengthen lashes, and I'm definitely seeing some added volume. Next, I'm applying the Item Beauty Boost Juice to my bottom lashes. This is dual-ended with a side for primer and a side for colored mascara. I'm starting with the lash primer to give volume. Now I'm using the blue mascara, which is not only supposed to just color the lashes, but also lengthen them. I can see instant results with this. My lashes are super volumized and twice as long as normal. Finally, I'm applying the Roen Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm in the shade Charlie. It's a lovely dusty rose shade. It's nice and natural, not sticky at all, and smells minty fresh. Here's the finished look using products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for July. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.